just pulled in and I paid for my ticket. I'm just gonna figure out where to go. It's getting humid out here, can you tell? My glasses are like fogged up. Anyways, this is a little rec spot. As soon as you, I can't even wear these. As soon as you get in here to Tomoka, it's like a bathroom over there and a sweet like place to fish, chill out by the water. Like as soon as you come in, you're gonna see this. This is so cool. Definitely, oh, a little place to launch a kayak. But it looks like they have that blocked off. Maybe this used to be a kayak launch, because you can't drive. I don't think you can drive over here. But yeah, this definitely used to be like a little boat ramp or something. Sweet. Definitely not in Vegas anymore, and I got my camera fixed. Let me see if my glasses are better now. Somewhat. Oh my god, and it's still fogged up. I had it so cold in my car. Let me see if I can fix this. Still foggy. Over here. That'll do. Anyways, yes. So much better than that GoPro, right? Should be a bit more clear. I've already been here once before, and like maybe a few months ago, but I didn't go to the other side of this place. I guess there's another side, and as I was leaving I was like, dang it, I should have went over there. Ooh, fishy. Something. Maybe it's a gator. Dang it, nothing. Alright, last time I filmed a video, I was in Vegas, which was several months ago. Haven't been around to getting a video made. I have been putting it off for a little bit now. I said I was going to do it as soon as I got my camera back, but that's been like months. Anyways, yeah, like I said, last time I filmed, I was in Vegas. I was going to wait to get this camera repaired. I was waiting for it. And that's why I was going to get a job over there, but it was taking forever. It was taking like way too long, and I wanted to work, so I figured I could just come back to Florida. I asked the camera shop if they could ship me the camera. They could, they did, and yeah, I'm back in Florida. I got a job. I got like 3 jobs now, and I've just been working a lot, trying to make up some extra money. And yeah, now I'm just going to be like, I'm going to try to like film a lot of like state parks here in Florida while I can, and until I get to go out of state again. So yeah, just saving up some money for that. But so yes, without further ado, let's just go explore this place. Let's check out a new spot. I'm gonna show you the main store probably, and this like statue thing I saw last time, and then I'm gonna go check out the other side, which I've never seen at all. This is the Tomoka store. I guess you'd call it. It's called the Outpost. See, that guy's got the right idea right there. What a sweet car. I don't care for the color, but yeah, you get the idea. Lizard. It's probably as close as I'll come to a gator. Yeah, little fishing spot, I guess. Ooh, freaking Tivas. Tivas in a water bottle, litter bugs. There. And yeah, this is the Tomoka Outpost. So much room for activities over here. Boat ramp, store. There is also a campground here, if you did not know. I like it. Busy at the boat ramp. I have arrived That's pretty shady over here. Arrived at this statue. This is probably one of the coolest things over here at Tomoka. Oh, oh. By the way, there is a bunch of trails in here. So, probably not going to be bored. Alright. Little. Wonder how old like this is, you know? That's so cool. There's probably a little plaque over here. Maybe there's a little plaque that will tell you how old this place is. Or a quick little Google search will work. See, there's like little trails that go to the water. Over here. Looks like somebody's out on their boat. Let's just go down this one. I've already been into some of these trails around here, but I have not went to the other side. Little pirate. Him and his doggy. See, we need to see some stuff. We need to see some gators. Anyways, there's trails that go all around here. Blah, blah, blah. This little trail just goes along the water here. Now, I believe this is as far as you can go into the park, like drive into the park. There's obviously other places where you can drive. You can go into the campground, the outposts, all that stuff, but I believe this road just dead ends here to this statue. Don't quote me on that, but that's how it looks. Now, I'm gonna go park closer to the exit, and then across the street, I forget the name of the street, but it's like Old Dixie maybe? I can't remember. And then across the street is another trail that I have not been to yet, so I'm gonna take you over there. This is the other side of the park. I just drove in here. You have to pay the fee and then like show your receipt that you paid or whatever, and just put it on your dash, and then you can come over here. But yeah, these are some, it's like a kind of cool like car trail. I don't think that four-wheel drive is required. You could probably take a little Corolla over here. I only compare a Corolla because like majority of people have like Corollas or Honda Civics, I think, right? Or if you're going to state parks, maybe you have like Jeeps or something. I don't know, dude. Subarus? I don't know. That's just like my go-to two-wheel drive car. It's a Toyota Corolla. Maybe you got one. I don't know. Maybe you can comment and let me know if you got a Toyota Corolla or a Subi. Still in the trail. This is kind of cool. This is pretty sweet, this car trail. It definitely looks one way. So if somebody's coming the other way, I am screwed. And it just, okay, I can go that way or this way. This looks like a dead end this way. Yeah, dead end. Little dead end action. But a dead ends to the water, you could just pull up here, you and your chick or boyfriend, whatever. And am I gonna hit this tree? Maybe. Don't vlog and drive, dude. Don't vlog and drive. Yeah, anyways. Tight little trails. There we go. Okay, let's go this way. Maybe this might be another dead end. Yeah. Another dead end to the water. You could probably see a freaking gator over that way. I bet you there's a gator. Let's go check. Hold up. I'm just gonna leave that thing run for now. If a gator was gonna be somewhere, it would probably be in here. Alright, let's see where else this takes us. So far, it just leads us to like little picnic areas. But I don't understand, like if somebody with a big ass truck is coming this way, I'm kind of screwed. So, entrance to Tomoka. Parked my car over here on the side of the road right in front. It doesn't look like you can drive over in this trail, which we're going to, right over here. And this is what I saw when I was leaving the first time. The other one with the other car trails we were just in, I've never seen that before, so that was pretty cool. Definitely looks like a cute little place to take your bae, chill over there, have a little picnic. Yeah, and right now, this just reminded me of the Everglades for some reason, of this little trail. I remember getting just tore up by some sort of, it was like an animal bug. This thing was just destroying me over there in the trail in the Everglades. Holy crap. Florida and its bugs. There is something about, that's why the people probably go crazy here, is because of the bugs. Yeah, you hear a lot of murders going on in Florida. It's probably because of the bugs. I turned around. I looked this trail up, and it's just a paved path that goes along North Dixie or Dixie Highway or whatever this is. Yeah, it's just a trail. I think for bikes mainly. Heading back to the car. That's pretty much it for Tomoka. I got some other things to do today. I just wanted to come with you to Tomoka and explore a little bit more, and also make a little update why I'm not in Vegas anymore, and just to let you know that I'm still alive. I'm still kicking. I've just been a little busy, haven't made time to do any more videos, but whatever. Yeah, thank you anyways for sticking around and watching this one. I will be going to another state park eventually, and then, you know, a little bit later on down the road, I'm going to do some more car camping videos. Just been working, hustling, trying to get some more money up. Yeah, well, you have a great rest of your day or night, whatever you're doing, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully soon. Peace out.